guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm doing something that I actually did before the springtime, but this time around it's gonna be a little different because we're gonna be talking about summer launches and products that I'm super excited about. And as always, shout out to Trend Mood for having such an awesome feed for me to look through anytime I need to know, hey, what kind of makeup launches are coming up. Same format, I'm just gonna scoot over a little bit and I'm gonna start going through my phone. I'm gonna actually screen record, and the screen recording, I'm gonna go to Winky Lux. I hate to start off with something like this, but I kind of hate gimmicky products like unicorn this and unicorn that and confetti. I mean, they're fun, but I don't gravitate towards that stuff. Oil and shine control. The only product from Smashbox that I use constantly is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. It can get very heated here in the south, so I'm always down to control shine. It claims to have 12-hour oil control for a silky smooth skin. Ooh, and has SPF as well. I've been wanting to look for a good sunscreen that doesn't mess with your foundation, so I might be giving that a try. Oops. What is this? New formula of our favorite. Am I too close? Maybe that's better. Yeah, let me just get comfortable for a sec. You guys let me know if I get out of focus. That's why I keep looking over there. Say hello to Suede Shade Liquid Eyeshadow. I don't really like to work with cream eyeshadow. I don't know, it's just me. I feel like we're off to a really bad start so far. I don't shop for blush often because I know what I like and I kind of tend to stick to it. I mean, blush is blush, I feel like. But maybe for summer, something a little bit more lustrous like this would be a good thing. I don't know, let's keep going. I've been hearing about The Ordinary so much lately. Like, I would want to say, hey, do y'all guys want me to try this out? But doing this Kylie skin review that I'm going through right now, it's literally so exhausting. You guys don't even know. I don't know. Not in the market for skincare right now. Kylie Cosmetics, Natasha Denona. What is this? Chroma Crystal Liquid Eyeshadow with edgy iridescent shades. So I think I'm gonna switch the screen recording to the other side. So as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by the blurriness, I think I'm more down to try something for summer that's long wearing, that already has like a glitter to it, just because you can just pop that all over your lid and be good to go for the day. Am I still too close? Maybe that's better. They're $25 each, so they're pricey. They're up there. I mean, look at those shades. It's just a picture of them right here. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh, what happened? Ooh, I am so interested in this. I am obsessed with the vitamin enriched face base. And I've been looking for a new like makeup remover, like makeup melter, makeup cleanser. That's $38 and the Soothing Face Cleanser is $50. I am so down to try that. Oh, but it's foaming. I'm really intrigued about this. Yay, we got something. Beauty blender, different color. That Milk Cosmetics again. Fenty Beauty. I've been looking at this bronzer. I just don't know what shade that would be, so I want to incorporate more color pop into my collection and to try it out for you guys. But I don't know, they come out with so much new stuff, it's overwhelming sometimes. I go on the website and I'm like, okay, I want this, I want this, I want this. But they literally every second I feel like they're launching something new. I don't know, I feel overwhelmed and I don't even like to think about it. This looks pretty cute, even though this picture, I feel like maybe it's not doing it any justice. Yeah, those two mustardy looking shades look really similar to each other. I mean, the concept's super cute. Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna go against the grain and say that I actually don't like this packaging. Yeah, let's move on. Wait for our beauty sponge. It's goods. Looks like we are going to see a new beauty sponge by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's going to be less than $20. Ooh. Is it just me, or I'm feeling a little underwhelmed by the summer launches, except for this? Oh, we got to a good one. I am so excited to test this palette out, you guys. You have no idea. The Jawbreaker palette, and it's $58. Yeah, I'm not gonna get the entire collection though, just because I'm trying to minimize the amount of money I spend on makeup, one, and two, I just don't know where to put stuff after I'm done with it. And obviously in the world of reviewing stuff, you move on to the next thing and you forget about the previous one. So I'm trying to be more mindful. I'm trying to tell myself you don't need every item from every collection. Just get what you need, move on. Oh, this palette. It has everything a summer palette could ever want or need. You have your transition colors. Just from the looks of it, like, it just looks good. And then, but you just have an array of beautiful bright shades. I'll talk about it more in depth in my video, but this palette is just to die for. I feel like by the looks of it. I haven't tested it out yet. Coco collection, no, I'm not. I don't approve of the Coco collection. I didn't approve of the first one. I tried using her stuff from the Coco collection and it was trash. I tell you, like, I discarded, like, I just deleted that entire video. The lip colors were very patchy, they were chunky. I didn't like anything from that collection, so now every time I see her name on anything Kylie Cosmetics, I'm like, no thanks. I don't know, you guys, nothing aside from like Jeffree Star's palette, nothing really reminds me of summer. I'm testing out the Kylie skin, by the way. You guys should go check out week 1 and week 2. I will have link for those down below. Dominique Cosmetics. Seriously, you guys, I have been waiting so long to get my hands on this palette. I just don't like to buy things online, so I've had to wait until it launches in stores. And I still haven't gotten my hands on it, but as soon as I can, I promise I will get this rustic palette. I don't know what it is about it. I don't know if it's the packaging or the actual shades, but I am obsessed with this palette. I want it. I want it in my collection. I feel like Kristen is doing such a good job with her products. I feel like she doesn't get enough recognition at all, and she stays drama free, and I don't know, she's just a breath of fresh air. I always click on her videos. She always has a good vibe, and whoever says that makeup tutorials are dead, they're wrong. They're alive and well over at Kristen Dominique's channel. So I need this palette in my life. And then Becca coming out with Champagne Pop round 2. Like, what is this? This looks so tacky. Like, I feel like we as a beauty community have just left the whole Champagne Pop, the whole Jaclyn Hill ordeal in the past with Becca. I mean, anytime I think of Champagne Pop, I think of Jaclyn Hill, and it's not it anymore. I'm getting this Natasha Denona Sunrise palette as well. Can't wait to play with that one. The Juvia's Place. I'm very intrigued of this foundation too. The I Am Magic foundation. They come in 42 shades and 4 different undertones. I got this already. It was very hard for me to shade match myself. I can never find my exact dream shade, and even with 42 shades and 4 different undertones, I struggled. And with the one that I found, I feel like it's still not my perfect match. So yeah, let's move on, but we'll see. Okay, you guys, I don't know, I'm feeling very underwhelmed. I was so excited for the spring ones. I mean, there's definitely some awesome products on here that I'm excited for, but not nearly enough as much as I did in springtime. So I don't know, I'm kind of sad. I'm not really that excited about anything, like nothing that I'm like, I need to get that like ASAP. These neon palettes look really pretty by Huda. I don't know, keep looking. And we all know how this mess went down. I mean, poor Jaclyn, but more of like poor people that bought those lipsticks. Can we talk about that for a second? I would have been pissed if I would have spent all that money, and I was so close to doing it, you guys. Every time she launches something, it just feels like she's always lying. Something's always off with it. Something always happens, and maybe she's just that carefree. She doesn't pay attention enough to detail, which is weird because she calls herself a perfectionist. The whole thing is just weird, and now she's deleted social media. And I mean, I'm not a drama channel, but it's just, when is enough enough, you know? And I do feel compassionate towards her and what she might be going through. Like, it feels like the whole world is against her right now, but come on, you made a huge mistake. These lipsticks have your name on it. Like, you can't just run away and just disappear from social media just because things didn't go well. It just, the whole thing is just weird. Someone dropped the ball on something, and ultimately it falls on you. Like, I was excited to get my perfect nude, but I'm glad I completely forgot about the launch actually, and that's why I didn't get it. And they were sold out by the time I tried to get them, so there's that. I feel like this video has gone on for far too long. That is it. That's all that I'm going to feature in today's video. I feel like springtime, they did a really good job with all the launches. The products were beautiful for springtime, but they do transition very well into summertime. Yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I wasn't as energetic as I wanted to be. I mean, the products weren't that exciting to be excited about. So I hope you still enjoyed it. If you have any recommendations on what you want me to try, or Kat, like, you did mention this and this looks pretty bomb, like, leave it in the comments down below and I'll definitely check it out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.